door shut. I didn't turn the light on, did I?
I don't think so.
Check it there, see if it goes off. It don't off. Get in there and check it.
Mm-hmm.
Sound to get the goddamn semi on the road.
Yeah.
Balls.
Mm-hmm. Another veteran. World War II.
1945. Charles Buggs. Have anything to say to us? Please speak up to us. Oh, dude.
That scared the fuck out of me, dude.
Me too.
I fucking about shit myself. Oh, dude. Wasn't expecting that, Paul. That scared the fuck out of me, man.
Stop. Look in the window of the church. Yeah, but just look. You see something in the bottom of the window?
Mm-hmm. Could be a flower.
Could be. I just want to make sure I saw something you did too.
Something's got me to check these out. These Bryants here. I know some Bryants.
Concrete. Wow.
Concrete.
They didn't put her date on there. I know she's not alive now.
Well, definitely not alive. She was born in 1843.
165.
I mean, she wasn't buried here. Look at the teeth.
Yeah, I see that. The wings on the side.
I wonder what the heck all those mean.
See, in the back then they've done that stuff, but now they don't even.
It's not the same, you know?
Symbols.
Symbols meant things.
Mm-hmm.
Family crests and seals and such.
What you put?
Whew. Good call. I'm looking through the viewfinder.
Yeah, I know. So there's another one of those sheep.
Yeah. See if I can get a. This one's a good one too.
Is it?
In IE or infant, there's a baby. It's a baby gray.
Is that what that stands for?
Yep. It says infant right there on the top.
O.J. Horde.
I'm guessing that's his parents.
Howard Stout.
No.
Mary Stout.
This is O.J. Horde and that's a Stout.
Maybe it was a mother. Maybe she married. Or maybe she
Remarried.
had a maiden name or something. Yeah.
Yeah. Back then they didn't remarry a bunch though.
Sound that come up this one.
I know, it was like, that shit.
Ranch. Wow.
1897 to 1987. Fucking 90 years old. That's old.
Did you just see that?
No, I didn't.
Right in front of the camera is what I'm saying. When we had the lights down. Hey, when we had the lights down like that, right across in front of us.
It'll be on camera.
Mark that. I marked it on the thing. 4 minutes on my thing.
It's 4 minutes 35 on mine.
Alright.
4:35. So I'd say about 4:29, 4:27ish.
Somewhere around there. I'm hoping I didn't just see something. Because I don't think there's any flies or bugs out right now.
Well, I'm pretty sure of that.
Man, it looks like an orb. It looked like. goosebumps.
Me too.
Just now. Looking hole there too. Look here. See that? This family couldn't afford one back in the 1800s. That's what they used. This one right here, I almost bet you the oldest one in this whole place, right there.
Yep.
I almost bet you.
Probably had writing on it in the front somewhere. Yeah, they've tried to write something.
Somebody's took it and tried to chisel it out.
Yeah.
I almost bet you that's the oldest one in this whole plot, this whole thing.
Talk to it.
Back side of the Olivet Church here on Olivet Branch Road. Paul and Eddie, if you got any questions or answers you'd like to give to us, say anything to us, please speak up. We're not here to harm anybody, we're actually here to help. If anybody wants to talk, please feel free to. Anybody want to say their name?
There's that eerie quietness again.
Yeah, hey. Footsteps behind us.
I still hear it.
Yeah. Hear it?
Mm-hmm.
Like to speak to us? Watch it from the light. Watch it from the light. I've been seeing white right in front of my light all the time. Like little orbs. And there's nothing out here. There's no dust. There's no bugs.
It's too cold in the morning. Mm-hmm. You see that one right there?
Yeah.
Let's check that guy out.
That's a tree there.
Yeah.
And cut. A couple small ones right in front of you.
Yep.
Dell. What is that?
Toll. T-O-L. T-O-L-L-E.
That's B&R.
Are these plot markers maybe?
Maybe.
We need to study up on some graveyard stuff. It looks like it's been carved out though.
Damn Indian. They call it totem pole.
Yeah. It looks like it's been carved. Is that it, dude? That's not a tree.
Are you serious?
That's not a tree.
Whoa. That is awesome.
That is amazing. That is. Ooh. Sorry. Look, another one. I thought that was a tree stump.
Oh my god. That is awesome. Look back there.
Look at another one.
They're all over, man.
Yeah. All four of these, or five of these right here. Trees.
That's concrete. That is concrete. No, it ain't either.
The old
That's a tree.
oak tree.
Yeah, that is a tree.
The old oak tree. It's a song.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Might have to come out here just so we can read that off to it. And
Yeah, in the daytime or something?
in the daytime, see what that is. That is sweet. I like
That's
that.
neato.
Yeah.
I so thought that was a tree. I was like,
I thought
no,
it was
dude,
a
it's a
tree, man.
carving, man.
That's a
There's
tree.
a carving out
It
there.
looks like a damn totem pole.
And there's like
1900 on this one. 1903.
Rachel?
1844 to 1903.
Rachel. Father.
1817 to 1903. They both died the same year.
That's weird. Silas.
Sister?
Silas. S-L-I-A-S, Silas. 1903.
1903. This whole family, man. Let's check out this one.
1802 to
1895.
This is the last living one.
But three of them died in the same year.
In the same
they say
year.
bad things happen in threes. Here's a baby, 1 year
Do you
old.
hear that?
Yeah. Do you see anything in the window now?
No, I don't. And the light's off. You see that? No, it's still on. There's something still in there too.
Yeah, okay.
Just making sure.
Yeah.
Although when we hit it with the light, I couldn't see it.
Mm-hmm.
Watch these little things. That is seriously cool.
I like that. I'm gonna have to
I want one.
investigate. There's a guy out in Orangeburg out here that does those. Walter Hull.
Robert B. Hall.
He's only 18.
I ain't never seen nothing like that back there.
No,
that was cool.
That's sweet.
That was pretty intense.
Pretty different. Let's try the trees in a minute. Let's see what this one's got on the side here. It's on the side. Lunsford.
Yeah.
1875.
Nash. Alfred Nash. 1834 to 1980. His wife is Nanny Truman. 1898.
Did that light get brighter?
Way brighter, man.
Because it was not like that.
And it was on the other side.
And it was on the other side. Now this one's on. That's a chalice in the window.
Yeah.
But that light was not on.
No, it was on the other side. Make sure that we get that documented.
Right there.
That could be a matter of perspective too.
Straight down. In the middle. You see something straight down. I'm serious. Keep going. Straight down. Watch it. Watch it. Stop by the tree. Why is it when you get around a tree it gets quiet?
That's where it should be the loudest. Look, it had a nameplate and it's been removed. No, there it is. I see it now. I couldn't see it from back there. Garrett, but there's nothing.
It says Garrett.
Might be on the other side. Just says Garrett. I don't say anything else.
No names or nothing.
Nope. No death time. Go. Here they are. That's a plot marker.
Kathleen. Was it?
Kathleen and Emma.
Catherine.
Catherine. Yeah, and Emma.
That man's only a year old, man.
Champ.
Look at that. Died
Oh,
1 year
wow.
to the date. This one here died 1 day. One day, 1 year and a day.
Wow. Champ.
68.
Yeah, that's. Man, they buried these back to back. John Perkins. What does that name sound familiar?
John Perkins?
1840 to 1918. John Perkins. That sounds so familiar. Like, not personally, but like history.
Like a mayor or city or something?
Orville Adams.
Oh God, man, that damn light was not on.
Not on that side. It was not on that side.
And it just popped on.
Oh, wow.
A couple in front of us. It was fresh air.
Real fresh. I don't really want to step there, kind of thing.
Oh, watch your sinkhole right there.
You about to step on one?
Yep.
Mary Willett. Charles.
Clarence.
And that's more run through. Sure nothing ain't following. Yep.
Just right here. They're walking away.
Yep.
Like somebody doesn't want us to leave. That's a light I took on the other side now. Now the light's off.
Straight off. No, it's on back on the other side again, man. Come over here.
Are you serious?
Dead fucking serious, dude.
Yep. I'm telling you, there's something up there.
That's something playing with us.
Yep. Because now the light is off. Light's off in the little church that's here. Left side it was on when we first got here. Moved around and went to the right side, it was on. Now it's off on the right side and back to the left again.
Wow.
That's how I turned around, I was like, I'm gonna check it before we leave, you know.
Yeah, I wanted to check everything for you.
When we pull back out here, I want to check it, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Up at the top.